What's the deal? What's the deal, man? It's your boy JT checking in. I just want to let y'all know I am starting the. See if y'all can see me. Should be able to, but yeah. I want to let y'all know June 1st, I am starting the coaching calls. Finally, man. Finally got the scheduling thing hooked up, and basically like the whole setup of everything. And actually, I'm gonna have some free time starting June 1st. So. Y'all know my birthday is May 30th, which is in a few days at the time of me making this video. And I was going to start the coaching calls now, but I'm about to be doing a lot of stuff. Planning for my birthday, the clothing line, all that good stuff. So I just won't have time this week. But starting Tuesday after Memorial Day, be doing the coaching calls, man. Be doing 20-minute coaching calls. Now it's not like, okay, once we hit 20 minutes, on to the next person. 20 minutes is just like, okay, that's enough time for you to get your questions answered, pick my brain, and so on and so forth. It might be less than 20 minutes, If the conversation is just dead and you already got all your questions answered, of course it'll just be over with. But it could go over, if you ask me, like say for instance, it's like 19 minutes left or something like that, you got a few questions left, I'll sit there and answer it with you. Like I said, it really just depends on the questions that you got. And yeah, just the vibe of the conversation, man. But you'll be able to either video chat me, phone call, Zoom, really don't matter. So yeah, I'm only doing it for the month of June, man. My clothing line is starting to pick up pretty fast, so I really won't be having too much time to do the coaching calls after the month of June. And yeah, I haven't really figured out the pricing yet. I know probably within today or tomorrow, but it's definitely gonna be $70 and up for sure. 73 is my favorite number, so if I'm feeling good, I'm going to just charge $73 for that 20-minute conversation. You can literally get all your questions answered, pick my brain, get help with a game plan, affiliate marketing business, or whatever you're doing, man. I'm here to offer some value to my original subscribers and, people that purchased my course in the past. Because I know that was the number one thing. Like, I drop a lot of courses, but a lot of y'all want, hands-on, one-on-one support from me. To a point where you can just get all your questions answered in one sitting instead of having to wait for me to reply to my messages and stuff like that. So here's your chance, man. Just telling y'all ahead of time. 5 days from now, the time making this video, be doing the coaching calls. And actually, by the time I even make this video, you should see a link in the description of this video where you can actually book the coaching call, pay for it, and all that good stuff. So I'm about to figure all that stuff out before I even upload this video. Another thing, if you've been paying attention, I got the new Facebook ads course dropping on my birthday. Like I said, it's going to be going over a 2021 Facebook ad strategy, Facebook and Instagram ad strategy, promoting affiliate offers. It's going to show the best affiliate offers to promote in 2021. It's not in ClickBank. It's not JV Zoo, Max Bounty, CPA marketing, none of that stuff. I'm going to be showing y'all the best offers to promote in 2021. Low competition, high converting, fast payouts, the whole nine, as well as the affiliate program for my courses. So, actually, there's another bonus too. I'm throwing in the, how to get access to unlimited Facebook ad accounts. I'm trying to see if anything else I'm missing. But yeah, everything I mentioned in this video, I'm gonna leave a link down below. Just wanted to let y'all know, finally doing coaching calls on the 1st, man. So make sure y'all go book those slots up, because I'm only going to be doing it for the month of June. After that, I'll pretty much be locked in on my clothing line from here on out. But yeah, man, go ahead, book that coaching call, man, and I look forward to talking to you.